Now we are going to use the try catch block from here. Let me just copy this and paste it below here. And here, let's make it event underscore results service events. Instead of insert, it is going to be list. Then calendar ID is primary, body we don't need this body, time mean we need time mean. Time mean is equal time underscore mean, comma, time max is equal time underscore max. Then we'll have single events, which is true. Then order by is equal start time, comma, max result is equal max results. Then execute. Okay, Control Shift A. Let me just rearrange it so you can see this properly. Now let's get the events. Events is equal event result. We need the organized result. For that we are going to use items, and if there are no items, then we'll get empty array and we're going to export it. Instead of returning none, we are going to use empty array from here, from this error actually. Let's write the command get events from 6th Jan to 7 January 2026. Let's see our resources is working or not. Actually, they find a bug in here. This is the bug they got. Yes, I have made this error. Let me just keep it and run it. Let's see. Module not found. Got another error. Actually, what is this? Everything looks okay. Order by max results. Yeah, here I made a mistake. This will be a camel case, not a snake case. So let's try it and run it. Let me just keep all. Yeah, here it is. We have got it. Actually, there are two fixes made by cursor, which is this one, added this two line, and here they have made this result